Hey there, students! Welcome to another exciting episode where we explore the wonders of science through the magic of claymation. Ever wondered why our bodies age and tissues get wrinkly? It's a fascinating process that affects every living being on this planet. Let's dive into the mysteries of aging tissues, and guess what? We're going to unravel these secrets with the help of our claymation friends. We're doing it with claymation. This fun and creative method will help us visualize complex biological processes in a simple and engaging way. So, grab your pens, your notes, and let's get stuck in. You might want to jot down some interesting facts as we go along. First off, what is aging? It's a natural process that happens to all living organisms, including humans. Aging happens because our cells wear out over time. Each cell in our body has a limited number of times it can divide. Every time a cell divides, it makes a copy of itself. This process is essential for growth, repair, and maintenance of our bodies. But like a photocopy of a photocopy, each new cell isn't quite as perfect as the original. Small errors can accumulate over time. The more copies, the more mistakes. These imperfections can lead to the gradual decline in the function of our cells. Now imagine this with our claymation characters. They too experience the effects of aging, just like us. Meet Clive, our sprightly young clayman. He's here to help us understand the aging process. Clive's cells are fresh and full of energy. He's in the prime of his life, with everything working perfectly. But as Clive ages, his cells start to wear out. This is a gradual process that happens over many years. They get tired, a bit like how you feel after a long day at school. The energy levels drop, and the efficiency decreases. Poor Clive starts to look a bit droopy. His once vibrant appearance begins to show signs of wear and tear. But why does this happen? What's going on inside Clive's cells that causes this change? Well, it's all about something called telomeres. These are tiny structures at the ends of our chromosomes. Think of telomeres as the plastic tips on your shoelaces. They protect our DNA from getting frayed when cells divide. This protection is crucial for maintaining the integrity of our genetic information. But as we get older, these tips start to wear down. Each cell division shortens the telomeres a little bit more. Once they're too short, our cells can't divide properly anymore. This leads to cell aging and eventually cell death. And that's when we start to see signs of aging. Wrinkles, grey hair, and other changes become more noticeable. But hang on a minute. What about tissues? How do they fit into this picture? Our tissues are made up of millions of cells. These cells work together to form the structures and functions of our body. So if cells are aging, our tissues do too. This affects the overall health and function of our organs. Let's look at Clive's skin. It's a great example of how aging affects our tissues. When he's young, his skin is smooth and stretchy. It's full of collagen and elastin, which keep it firm and elastic. But as those cells get older and weaker, the skin starts to sag and wrinkle. The loss of collagen and elastin makes it less resilient. It's like our clayman Clive getting a bit, well, crinkly. His once smooth skin now shows the signs of aging. And it's not just skin. Aging affects every part of our body. Muscles, bones, even organs. They all age because their cells are aging. This can lead to a decline in their function. For example, have you ever noticed how older people sometimes find it harder to move around? Their muscles and joints aren't as flexible as they used to be. That's because their muscle cells aren't as strong and flexible as they used to be. But don't worry, this is a normal part of aging. Aging is a natural part of life. It's something we all go through, and it's what makes life's journey so unique. And scientists are working hard to understand it better. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll find ways to help our cells stay younger for longer. Imagine a future where aging is slowed down or even reversed. So next time you look at an older person or even yourself in the mirror, remember Clive and his claymation adventure. Aging is a part of life's beautiful cycle. Those wrinkles and grey hairs, they're just part of our amazing journey through life. Each one tells a story of experiences and wisdom. They're just part of our amazing journey through life. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about the secret life of aging tissues. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And keep being curious. Catch you later. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures in the world of science.